Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing this question, that is the area in square units of the region. First curve is mod x plus mod y less than equals to 1, and another one is this. I think it would be 2y square less than equals to mod x. That is basically the equation of parabola. Okay, we have been given 4 options. We have to choose one correct answer. Solution we'll be discussing in the next slide. So now this is the solution. As we have seen, the first curve was mod x plus mod y is less than equals to 1. So when we'll be opening this equation, it will be opened in 4 ways. Okay. So what are the 4 ways? We'll be discussing it now. 4 ways would be, first would be positive positive. So that would be 0, 1 and 1, 0. So one would be like this. One would be positive negative, so it will give you here, that is 0, minus 1. Next would be both negative negative, minus 1, 0, and the last would be positive positive, that would be this, minus and positive. Okay, so like this we'll be opening up this in 4 ways. So now what is less than equals to 1 means? It means the region that is basically inside this. Okay, so the next equation that was given to us was this. Okay, so here we'll be getting this parabola equation. So basically this is the parabola that is going to be. So when we'll be opening this mod x, so for one will be getting the positive and another will be getting the negative. So second one would be like this. So basically here what it means, that is 2y squared is greater than equals to mod of x. What it means? It means this one region. I'll just now this outer region. Okay, this outer region it means. So basically we have to find out this region, you can see. Okay, and we'll be taking out this one first, that is the first quadrant. So basically you can see we have been taken x plus y is equals to 1, and then we'll be having second one is basically our 2y square is equals to x. So after we have to solve this, and then we'll be getting the two factors, that would be equals to minus 1 and 1 by 2, and after that we'll be solving it as it is being shown here, and then we'll be find out the total area.